You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this name in Italian. For more confusing pronunciation, stay tuned. Tons at the end of this video. Italian pronunciation, how to pronounce Mauro. Ma-u. Essentially the A is A, the U is U, and then Ro. Mauro. Or if you cannot pronounce Italian, Mauro or Mauro is how to pronounce it in Italian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.